a vineyard oak studio. It's 700 squares, it costs $800 per night, but it has a wonderful outdoor tub. Thank you. I'm not sure why, but now when we don't drink alcohol at all, every time we come to a hotel we have a amenity, free of charge wine. So we have something to give to our friends. And a postcard again. Thank you.
Worth it? Let's check. So what do we have here? We have the studio room, we have big patio, and we have a big bathroom. Let's go. We have 2 bamboo chairs, working station, fireplace, king bed, baby crib.
You are a little bit too big for this crib.
No,
Why do we have it?
I don't know.
Usually it's on request, right? It's super weird.
What are you doing? Why are you throw it away?
I spit them later, it just takes up so much space.
Babe, it is your wine.
And we have European air conditioning, mini kitchen. And now I'm gonna show you huge bathroom. Let's go. One sink, one bathtub, bubbles, and we have a semi-private restroom. So here in the bathroom we have a closet, walk-in closet with 2 bathroom, safe, and luggage stand. Of course, 1 luggage stand.
Do we have slippers?
Yes, 2 sleepers.
What are you doing?
Lavender spray. And here we have the most interesting part, bathtub outside. And of course, second fireplace. It means like we have just 1 but on 2 sides. And we have incredible golf course view.
It's the reason that I love you. It's the reason that I care. Why there is no...
Actually, I wanted to upgrade us to a nice and bigger suite, but it didn't have this guy, and we really wanted to have an outdoor tub. So sometimes it doesn't make sense to upgrade.
And now let's check the dusty places. Let's start from this chair. You see? All this thing. Here is clean. But we stain. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this floor. Look at this floor. So dirty. So, let's move this guy. Wait, here is green. And let's check this art. Clean. Let's check this shelf. Oh, here is dusty. You see? And let's check this carpet. Oh, carpet on with yellow stain. Yeah, the light is clean. Yeah, the bathroom is clean. My gosh, I'm so hungry. Let's check this farm. Here probably a lot of yummies. Let's check.
It's tasty. You want to try?
Yes, I wanna.
Okay, so I'm the salt artisan for the ranch.
Yeah.
So this is just plain salt. This is a garlic salt, and this is a coffee salt.
Wow. So how would
Pair
you
it,
recommend to
whatever.
pair it? Like
Anything you like.
I love this one. This one is a lot better.
Wow, sneakers. This is actually a cool ranch. It has like 500 acres. They have their own stable, they have farms, they have bees, they have goatees. And let's explore.
Why do we have white shoes?
I don't know, maybe because we're not used to farm life. We
Maybe.
are on a farm in white sneakers. Look, they have their own vineyard, and I think this is the vineyard that our room overlooks. So maybe the wine that they gave us was actually made here. What do you think?
Probably yes.
Probably, yeah. We didn't ask. I mean, but that's really cool.
Yeah, the atmosphere about this place is really nice. It's so peaceful, so beautiful, you know. You're like in private park.
I think it starts to smell like animals are close, so the farm is somewhere here. Let's go.
Explore new places.
I'm still in it. I want it. What's the purpose of this game?
I've actually never seen a coyote, but I'm pretty sure that's it.
Yeah. So wait, what it is? Marshmallows.
We need some wood. Yeah.
We have real fire.
So we have included some marshmallow to our stay. It means free of charge. We have one marshmallow, I mean like 2 marshmallow, crackers, Hershey chocolate. So first we need to cook some marshmallow chicks.
Ah, it's ready. Now we take a graham cookie
Half chips,
and
chocolate.
chocolate.
Oh my god. And here you go.
What I love is that they set so many private spaces that even though the hotel is sold out, I mean, we don't really bump into each other, right? So it feels very private. I mean, I love it. I really love it. So we have this whole place to ourselves, and they even left us some good food, you see? So we have a real vibe. It's really cool.
Good morning! Now it's a breakfast time. Let's go!
Do you think that's too much food for us?
No.
So our server just told us that they close at midnight, so we have time to make through all of this.
Oh yeah.
That's
So we're in Hawaii.
Yeah, it's like Hawaii.
Food is really good here.
Where are we going?
To a small trail.
Okay,
We have two options. To do a long loop or a shortcut.
shortcut.
I'm already tired.
We just started.
Yeah, I know, but it's so steep. It's worse than I expected. You see, it even says steep grade.
Babe, we did the hike. Yeah!
They're fully booked until Sunday, and today is Friday.
And we are in Jacuzzi, and outside 85 degrees.
It's like a boiling soup, yeah?
Yeah. So we have amazing view to golf course.
I have so much hope.
How do you like our stay?
It's amazing. This outdoor tub is just amazing. I love these vineyards and they have their own wine, which is amazing. Own goat cheese and their own honey and some fruits like stone fruits. So everything is amazing. I mean, I love this concept, like farm to table concept. Yeah, because everything is so good. Everything's organic and it's not that often that you can find this place. So yeah, I love it.
Hey babe,
What?
we forgot to check the yellow stain.
But we're leaving.
Doesn't matter, let's check. Let's go. No way! Look at this! Oh my gosh!
Did we sleep on this?
Oh my gosh! I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, and here I'm like the stupidest guy in the whole world, because like all the time I check before we sleep, I check this yellow stain, but this time I see like it's everything is nice, it's natural, it's from wood, it's so beautiful, and I can imagine this bed has yellow stain. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh.
It's nasty. And there's nothing we can do about it.
Yeah,
We're
it's
checking out.
nothing- Yeah, we're checking out. So overall, it's a great stay. We have a lot of fun here. We did some hike. We like walked through the farm, like horses, goats, and everything is beautiful. But this yellow stain, horrible.
It has ruined the stay experience, right?
Yeah, you know, I'm very disappointed. Manager promised to refund our stay, but you know, I'm not super happy about this yellow stain, and we like sleep already in this bed.
It's disgusting.
Yeah, disgusting. It's a big fail, because like it's not Motel 6. It's a high class hotel resort.
Yeah, let's go home.
Let's go home.